Hi everyone, in this video you'll learn about JavaScript date objects and date formats. The new date constructor generates a date object set to the current date and time. For example, here we are creating a new date object using the date constructor. This gives us the current date and time from the system, as you can see in this output. Creating date objects from a string. You can create a date object based on a specific date string. See this code for example, where we are passing this date string into the new data method, which creates the date object based on this date, as you can see in this output. Here is another example using a different date string format. Note that the date objects are static. Once created, they do not update automatically. Dates using parameters. The new date constructor with parameters allows you to define a date with specific components. For example, here we are passing multiple parameters to the date constructor, which represent the year, month, day, hour, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. So this statement creates a date like this. If you specify values beyond the expected range, JavaScript automatically adjusts them. For example, here we are giving year, month, day, hour, minute, and seconds. Because month number 15 is more than 11, JavaScript automatically overflows it into the next year. So the date becomes April 24, 2025. Note that the JavaScript months start at 0 and end at 11. This is why 15 means April, as December is 11. Here we are giving the year, month, day, hour, minute, and seconds. Because the day number 35 is more than the days in June, JavaScript automatically moves extra days into the next month. So the date becomes July 5, 2025, as you can see in this output. Date creation with different parameter counts. We can also pass different number of parameters to the date constructor. For example, here we are giving fewer values in each line, and JavaScript fills the rest automatically, as you can see in these outputs. Basically it is giving 0 as default value to every missing value, as you can see here. Important, if only one parameter is provided, it is treated as milliseconds since January 1, 1970. For example, here we are passing year only to the date constructor. JavaScript thinks this number is milliseconds from January 1, 1970, not a year. So instead of creating the year 2025, it creates a date far in the past based on 2025 milliseconds. Handling previous century years. Years with 1 or 2 digits are interpreted as 19x. As you can see here, these 2-digit years are treated as 1999 and 1909 respectively. Displaying dates. By default, JavaScript displays dates using toString. For example, this is the default display even if you use toString or not. This output shows the date with the time zone. This output shows the date in a readable format. This output shows the date in UTC format. And this output shows the date in ISO format. JavaScript ISO date format. ISO 8601 is an international standard for representing dates and times. JavaScript follows this standard, and the recommended date format is this. For example, here we are passing this date in this format. JavaScript reads this as a UTC date and sets the time to midnight, as you can see here. ISO dates, date and time. ISO dates can include time using this format. This line creates a date and time from this ISO string. Here the letter T separates the date and time, and Z means the time is in GMT. To specify a different time zone, use this T format instead of Z, which is an offset related to GMT time zone. For example, this time value means that the time is 6 hours and 30 minutes behind GMT. JavaScript automatically converts this local time to GMT, as you can see here. If you omit the T or Z, browsers may interpret the date differently, causing inconsistent results. Time zones and their impact. If a date is created without specifying a time zone, JavaScript defaults to the browser's time zone. For example, this line creates a date from a simple date string, as you can see here. As no time is specified, JavaScript treats the date as midnight in your local time zone. Like this. This was all about JavaScript date objects and date formats. Check the video description for more information. Also, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.